How to write a book with ChatGPT. Did you know that ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, is helping people write essays, books, chapters, business plans, all kinds of things, and you can use it too to write a book? Well, not only can you use it to write a book, I'm going to share in this video how to write the book with ChatGPT and how to sell it and maybe even make millions just like I did. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, all you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you an easy step-by-step process on how to write an entire book, a really good book, using AI, artificial intelligence, or ChatGPT. And I'm going to share with you my big secret on how anyone can make at least $10,000 per month selling their own books. Being an author is awesome. As I've mentioned before, I am a self-made millionaire, entrepreneur, mentor, speaker, author, and mom of 5. But I am an author of 4 best-selling books, and I have made millions of dollars selling books, not only directly from the money selling them, but also indirectly from people reading my books, reaching out to me, and us creating partnerships. So books can be an amazing way for you not only to make money, but also for you to build your credibility and set your status as an author, as someone that is credible, and as an expert in your field, whether it be fictional books that are just, what happened, playing around, or if it could be nonfiction, like factual books of things that actually happen, like the books that I write right now are nonfiction, but also I have written fictional books, children books, and I have made money off of that as well, and even have an entire nonprofit foundation around my children's books, and I'll explain that to you in just a second. So if you want to be an author, there has never been a better time in history than right now for you to write a book, get it published, and make lots of money doing it. So let me share exactly how you can use the power of artificial intelligence, AI, or ChatGPT, which is absolutely free, to get this done today. Let me tell you that part. So the first thing that you are going to need to do is actually have a ChatGPT account. Again, it is absolutely free. There is a free version. I'm going to show you just a screenshot right here. You can completely and easily, in probably less than a minute, create your own ChatGPT account and start using it. So if you don't have one, create one and log in. That is step 1. Super easy. Okay, now that we have ChatGPT open, let's talk about the first prompt that you will give it so that you can write this book. Okay, so I have written out all of the steps right here on my phone, and I'm going to read them to you one by one. Step 2, now that you are logged into ChatGPT, you want to give it this prompt. ChatGPT, will you please give me 10 titles about X, Y, and Z? So for example, if you wanted to write a book about how to fix your personal credit, for example, you would say to ChatGPT, please give me 10 book titles on fixing personal credit. Now, again, the more specific you can be with ChatGPT, the better the outcome, the better the results that it will spit out to you. And if it spits out results that you do not like, you can always click the regenerate button and it will regenerate a better answer, or you can even give it better prompts and tell it to, hey, regenerate this again with X, Y, and Z. So again, first step, give me 10 titles on X, Y, and Z subject. The second thing that you want to do is actually look through the titles that it gives you. Once it gives you those titles, you're going to pick one of those titles, and then you are going to tell ChatGPT to give you a chapter outline, the names of all the chapters for that book title. That's step 2. Very simple. It will then spit out all of the different chapter names for said book titles, and then you will have all your chapter titles. Now that you have all of the book titles and you have the chapter outline, you will say to ChatGPT, please write a detailed outline for all of the chapters given. So now that you have the book titles, now you have the chapters, you are going to ask for an outline, and again, say a detailed outline for the titles of titles of those books. Okay, so remember, it gave you the title of the book, then it gave you the chapter titles. Now you want a detailed outline that follows those chapters. Simple. The next thing you're going to tell ChatGPT to do is you're going to say, can you go deeper on that outline? Write it more thoroughly. So no matter what it gives you on the outline, you're going to prompt it again to give you a better, more thorough outline. Okay, this is how you're going to get a really good book out of this. The next thing that you're going to do is say, can you write chapter 1 following the outline that you gave above? okay? And then it's going to write that entire chapter for you. And then you're going to just go through it for all of the chapters. So whether it has 10 chapters, 12 chapters, however many chapters that it gave you, you are going to have it write out the chapter based on the outline that it gave you. And again, you're reading through what it spits out and you're editing and fixing it along the way. Once you have all of the chapters done, you are going to go to word.ai.com and have it humanize the entire book. This word.ai, again, doesn't cost you a lot of money. In some cases, it may be free. I'm not sure about the time of this video if it's still free, but it will help humanize those words that you have. And again, if you go to 𝗏𝗡𝐿sfreegift.com, I will have this checklist already out here, and there will be a link for you to go to Word AI right there, available for you. And again, absolutely free. Just go to Noelle's with an S, Noelle with an S, 𝗏𝗡𝐿sfreegift.com. Once you have it now through Word AI, you're actually going to pay for a human editor to edit this. You're going to go to either Fiverr or Upwork, and you're going to find a human editor to edit the book. This will be very inexpensive. This will not cost you a lot of money, but they will take the entire book that ChatGPT gave you, the one that you even took through Word AI to humanize, and then we're going to go through one final revision with an actual human editor that is going to go ahead and edit that book for you. And again, not going to cost you very much. Once you get it back from the editor, the next step is to upload the book to Kindle. So you're basically going to self-publish the book yourself. Kindle Direct Publishing through Amazon is an amazing way to have the book already published. They will give you the barcode and everything right there in Kindle Direct Publishing. And then you can even have it put on other sites, and you can start selling the book even on your own website, which is what I do to make tons of money. So let me share one more way with you on how you'll be able to sell lots of books with this book that you wrote all through ChatGPT and not spending very much money on it. One of the ways that I have been able to sell so many books is actually by giving my book away free. If you go to noellsfreebook.com right now, you can get my book, Real Estate Millionaire Secrets, absolutely free. You just cover the shipping. This is an amazing way that I have been able to sell millions of dollars worth of books and create value. But the great thing about it is once you then buy the book, I actually offer you other things. For example, do you want the ebook? Do you want to come to one of my events? Do you want one of my courses? Once I've gotten you interested in my book that's free and you just cover the shipping, then I can offer you other products and services that I have. And I actually even get your email address so that I can email you over and over and make you different offers. This is an amazing way for you to start selling your book yourself and start making money with the book and grow your email list. This book sales funnel that I have created has been an amazing way for me to sell so many books. And I want to tell you that you can create the same thing and achieve your own goals. Let me share that part with you. You can get my journal, the Manifestation Journal, absolutely free. Just go to noelleinspires.com. This is a journal that I created not using ChatGPT, but using a culmination of a lot of different other journals that I had to create the perfect journal to accomplish your number one goal in just 100 days. It basically counts down, and it also provides you with some routines, some strategies, and some things that you will do, and they're already listed in the journal for you to do. But the amazing thing about this journal, it is tied to the Marley Sims Foundation. That is a public nonprofit organization dedicated to children's reading. The Marley Sims Foundation has been dedicated for children's reading for many, many years, and we are changing lives by buying books for students. In fact, if you take me up on this offer, when you get the journal at noelleinspires.com, a portion of all of the proceeds will go to the Marley Sims Foundation, but you will also receive an offer once you get this to donate directly to the Marley Sims Foundation. And if you donate $25, you will get this shirt as well that says this shirt buys books. So not only will you get this amazing journal that will help you accomplish your number one goal in just 100 days, maybe it's to write a book. And again, using the techniques that I just taught you today, it will not take you 100 days to write your book. However, you could put a more specific goal in there that you're not only going to write the book, you're going to sell X amount of copies in that book in 100 days. And you can feel this amazing feeling of giving to a nonprofit organization like the Marley Sims Foundation. And in return, get one of these shirts just like Noelle Randall to show your support of children's literacy. So go to noelleinspires.com today, get your journal, donate to the Marley Sims Foundation, and show your support. That's noelleinspires.com. Noelle, Noelle, Inspires, INSPIRES.com. noelleinspires.com. Get your journal for you, get a shirt to show your support, and help children all across the nation. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success.